Everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. In this video, I will show you how to change the notice mode about the TD162. For this notice mode, as we all know, it has flash, vibration, and beep. And for the beep, it's F4, and we need to go to the setting and press 4. You can see it's 0. 0 means turn off the beep, 1 for slow mode, 2 for medium speed, 3 for fast mode. So I will change the fast to check it. As you can see, 3 fast. Okay, it's the same as your page ID. Remove it and press confirm, so you can see it successfully. So let's check it. As you can see, the beep is very fast. And now let me show you how to change the vibration. The vibration, it has two. 0 means turn off, and the other means turn on the vibration. So go to the F5, it's for vibration. 0 means turn off. As you can see, it has the vibration. So let's turn it off. 0. Remove the pager and confirm. Okay. Now let's press it. Check it. And no vibration, as you can see. Okay. The next one is the flash. It's F6. And 0 means turn off the flash, and 1 is for slow, 2 is fast, and 3 is for breathing light. And let's check the first. Okay, 1, and remove, confirm. Now let's check. And this is for the slow. And let's try to turn it off. 6 and 0. Okay. As you can see, only beep, no flash anymore. And if you have any other questions or want to know more, feel free to contact us. In the back of the package, it has our Facebook, email, and website. Feel free to email support@retekess.com. Thank you.